Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unicorn. Today we're going to learn how to convert an Excel file to a VCF or contacts file. So first I will show you the Excel file where our contacts information is stored. Let me open the file. As shown here, we have to organize the contact information. Now let me add a demo contact here. Now we have to save this Excel file as a CSV or comma-separated values file so that we can convert this into a VCF file later. Hit on Save. You can ignore this warning. Now close this file. Now we have to install a tool. I have already given the link in the description. First, download the tool from there and install as I'll be showing here. Click on Browse and select the CSV file. The first option is for converting all contacts in a single file, and the second option is for converting all contacts in multiple files. We'll select the first one. We can adjust the headers by clicking on Select, but it's optional though. Now, click and convert, and that's done. We can verify the VCF file. See, it's all correctly coming. Now you can use this file to import multiple contacts to phone in a single click. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share, and also subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Thank you.